Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing which numbers to test and why. First, pick a single value or a list and state whether you want exact squares or nearest squares. Calculate roughly. If the number is large, estimate its square root to find a starting integer. Use a calculator for speed or paper for clarity. Once done, mark your first candidate integer and prepare to square it. This keeps the process systematic and avoids random guessing. Now compute. Square your candidate integer directly, multiply n times n, and also square n plus 1 when checking bounds. You do this to see if the target equals n2 or falls between n2 and n plus 1, 2. Once you have those products, compare them to the target number digit by digit if needed. If the target matches a square, you're done. If not, decide whether to increase or decrease the candidate and repeat the squaring step until you bracket the target properly. Finish by verifying. Remultiply the chosen integer to ensure no mistake, or use prime factorization to confirm an exact square. Every exponent must be even. If you only needed the nearest square, pick the squared value with the smallest difference and report the distance. Make sure to note whether you rounded an estimate. If results conflict, recalculate with more precision or a calculator. Common errors come from mismultiplication or misreading digits, so a second pass usually resolves issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.